Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Holy Stone Mini Drone versus the DyineeFy Mini Drone. These two drones are packed with features and are perfect for kids and beginners. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. Both the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the DyineeFy Mini Drone are priced at $49. So in terms of affordability, they are neck and neck. Now let's move on to the next category. When it comes to features, both drones offer some exciting functionalities. The Holy Stone Mini Drone boasts the ability to perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also has an altitude hold function, making it user-friendly, especially for beginners and kids. Additionally, it comes with 3 batteries, providing a flight time of up to 21 minutes. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is also designed to be mini and portable, making it a great companion for parties, fishing trips, or long journeys. With its full protection guard, it ensures the safety of both kids and the drone itself. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone features vibrant LED lights that create a captivating ambiance, making it enjoyable to fly both day and night. It also has a headless mode and altitude hold feature, allowing for easy maneuverability. The drone comes with rechargeable batteries and 3 remote control batteries, providing a flight time of 8 to 15 minutes. Its one-key takeoff, landing, and one-key return functions make it simple to operate even for beginners. Furthermore, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is built with high-quality ABS materials and propeller guards, ensuring durability and safety. Now, let's talk about performance. Both drones offer a great flying experience, but the Holy Stone Mini Drone has a slight advantage with its longer flight time of up to 21 minutes. However, the DyineeFy Mini Drone compensates with its captivating LED lights and easy-to-use one-key functions. It's a tough call in this category. When it comes to durability, both drones are designed to withstand collisions and falls. The Holy Stone Mini Drone's propellers are protected by a guard, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone features a unique structural design and sturdy propeller guards. Both drones prioritize the safety of kids and beginners. After comparing the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the DyineeFy Mini Drone, it's clear that both have their strengths and offer an enjoyable flying experience. The Holy Stone Mini Drone excels in terms of flight time and user-friendly features, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone stands out with its vibrant LED lights and easy-to-use functions. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your personal preferences. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.